In this problem, there was a fundamental particle that split apart into a positron and an electron, and they're going to be going through this magnetic field that's here. At first, I was thinking to myself, well, these two things would have a force pulling each other together, but since this is kind of a basic physics problem, we're actually just going to ignore that, and we're just focus on the magnetic field around it, and we're going to do that little right-hand rule, so we can cross the velocity go in this direction for the positive, and then the fingers that way, and then we'll see that the thumb. So we get the force is pointing in this direction for the positive particle. And if we did the same thing here, we would kind of get the force pointing in the other direction over here, but because it's negative, it's the electron, it's going to be flipped. So you get the force going this way as well. And since the force is going that way, is me perpendicular the 90-degree angle, we're actually going to get a circle out of this. So this thing is going to circle around, and it's just going to we're asked when these two things intersect, and those things are actually just going to make they're actually going to hit right in between. I know it doesn't really look like a circle, but they're going to hit right half circle. So we're going to use the period equation, which states that it's 2 pi m over qb. And since we know that this is going to be half a circle this way before they intersect, we're going to divide this by 2 on both sides. These 2's will cancel out over here, so we're going to get pi m over qb is what we're looking for. So we can plug that in. The electron weight is it's actually at 9.11 e to negative 31 kilograms, and then we'll divide that by the q, which is 1.6 e to the negative 19 coulombs, and then the b, which is 2.92 negative third. Okay, so if we do that on our calculator, we'll get pi times 9.11 negative 31 divided by 1.619 times 2.92 negative third, and yeah, so we actually get 6.113 or so nanoseconds is when those two things are going to collide.